What up, YouTube? Appreciate you for tuning in. This is my first video, start beginning of my channel. Today is officially the day that I will be going to get my 2012 BMW 335 IS. It is a big day and I'm really happy for it. So I'll be flying out to Kennewick, Washington today, and I will keep you posted for that. Stay tuned. Long flights. Officially made it to Washington, so I guess I'll be going to look at the car in the morning because I'm going home to go sleep, or not home, hotel. Alright, so I'm officially in Kennewick, Washington. Got here last night. Today I'm gonna go pay for the car, look at it, make sure everything is good with it, try to probably get the price down a little bit, put it on a trailer and ship it back. Main things I'm going to be looking for is like anything like cosmetic, any damages or anything to it that'll warrant a lower price for it. But car's looking good. I shot some video last night of it. I'll make sure to put that in the video. But as far as anything else, stay tuned. Alright everybody, the moment that we've all been waiting for, and this car is really beautiful, so say hello to 335 IS. This car is something special. Of course, main thing that I wanted in it is the N54, but at the same time, look at this interior. Authentic coral red interior. That is beautiful. Well, as you can see, no passenger. It's mine. I have officially acquired the car that I've been looking for months and months and months. But I'll make sure that I list and document all the parts that I want to put into this and all the upgrades that I want to do, and all the car meets for it. This car is the main reason for this channel, because I wanted to build this channel off of a N54 platform and the E92 because I fell in love with the car. But stay tuned for more of that. Alright, it's kind of late, but it's about that time. So the truck is coming to pick up the car now. I'm gonna have to say bye to this thing for about 3 days, but come Saturday I will have it back and I'm ready for that. Catch you guys later. Alright, officially made it back to Tucson. Good little car retrieval vacation is over, so now it is time to get ready to prepare for all the work I gotta do with the car, which is not much. I think like the headlight had a little crack on it, and the bumper. That's about it. Alright, this is officially time. Waited 2 days. I thought it was gonna be on Saturday that it was gonna come, but apparently it arrived early, so Christmas came early. Y'all ready? Oh, nope, didn't open. There we go. Alright, here it is. It's nighttime, so you won't be able to see it well. Alright, so what I was gonna do is I was gonna show you guys the car as I pull it into the driveway, but it driving all the way from Washington coming here, he went through a pretty bad sandstorm. So it is really dirty, and I'm not gonna do the car like that. I'm not gonna show it as dirty as it is. So actually what I'm gonna do right now, even though it's like 6 o'clock, I'm gonna go wash it. And I'm gonna get some footage of this car at the wash and pulling it in. Here we go.
I'm like Black Mamas, going for 81, rest in peace, Black Mamba.